everyone. I know it's been a pretty long time since I've posted a video. This year has been really crazy for me, but I'll go into all of that in a different video. Today I am going to unbox Trendz Dreamlike album. I know it's pretty late. My albums had a delay from Korea to the store that I bought them from, because I thought if I bought it from an American-based store that it would come quicker. It didn't. That's also on me for not ordering it a bit sooner. But also I did order the M-Wave signed album, so I will also be unboxing that. But I do have every version of the album, so we'll go through all of that. And I also ordered their Japanese debut, so that will be released end of July. So as soon as I get those in, I will unbox them. So let's get started. So there are 2 photobook albums and 2 poca albums. I will start with the photo books and then we will do the poca albums. Also, all timestamps will be below in case you don't want to watch through all of this, since there's probably other unboxings that have been out for a while. Also, we'll take a look at the signed album at the end. So there is the front cover, the back. So this just pulls off. I have stayed away from spoilers as much as I can, but so this is where all the inclusions are, so I'll set that aside. So this is the photo book. Here's the back. So I'll just go through this. Oh, look how cute. So cute. Actually, let me, oh, they are so cute. This mini album, no, single album, sorry. Oh my gosh, he's so beautiful. So this single album is really good. I really like it. I've enjoyed it so much. Oh, look at them. Very cute. I think I have an official bias line, officially. So have it, Hanguk, and Yunu. So cute. But Leon is still very close to the 3rd spot. All of them, I love this picture. All of them are so sweet and funny. It's hard not to love all 7. Well, I mean, I do equally, but like it's hard like to pick one bias line. Habit is my bias, you know. This is what I don't like about the photo books, is someone always gets put in the middle and stuff like this. But they look like they had a lot of fun filming and the photo shoots and stuff, so that's good. But Habit will always be one of my ults. He is I waited so long for him to debut, and then seeing him finally in this group with such amazing people and members, it's just, and the fans, oh, Trendz they're wonderful. I've met some wonderful people through Trendz, and he's so cute. I always want to like squeeze his cheeks, but he's growing up. Oh, but I'm so excited. They finally have some American, why are these like down on my hands? They have some American tour dates. It's not like a solo tour, it's a part of I think it's called K-pop Breakout Tour. I'm waiting for dates, and I'm really hoping I can get tickets because is also going to be on that tour, and I'm really hoping that there's a date close to me, so that I can see them. I really want to see Trendz. And so here's the track list. Oh, I haven't even talked about, we'll talk about it with the next one. With the next photo book. Oh my gosh. And then here's the thanks to, if you want to pause, and maybe I'll find a translation for it. So that was the first photo book. Let's get into the inclusions. So first we have a poster. And this is such a fun photo. All of them just like laying in the grass, so cute. I love the poodle hair, the curly hair on ra.l. So cute. And my sleeves keep falling down because I mean it's really oversized. So the inclusions come in an envelope like usual. I'm gonna try and not see. So here is the CD. It just comes in a little paper envelope case, and it's this very pretty bright emerald metallic CD, and it just says Trendz or Trendzi Dreamlike. Very cute, very pretty. That would look really pretty like on a wall, maybe with some like photo cards. Here are the stickers. So you have a Trendzi Dreamlike, Trendzi Let's Glow, Dream is like a glow, Trendzi Dreamlike, Dream is like a glow, white circular one. Sorry, the first two were green, I should have said that. And then you have a green heart that says Trendzi, and you have a green monochromatic filtered sticker of the poster, the group poster. And then there's a green sticker that says what is your dream, green stickers with each of the members' names, and a little, the 4-point star shimmer, and it just says Trendzi 4th single album. So those are the stickers. And then we have postcards. So here's the back. It just says Trendzi 4th single album Dreamlike, with Dreamlike on the bottom. So this is a group photo postcard of them sitting in the grass in a line. Very cute. I love this. Look at them. They're very cute. So, oh, I should have left the, sorry, let me, and then we have another postcard. So this should be a random member postcard. And we got Anu. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. Look at the muscle though. No. Oh, that's such a nice postcard. Or it's like a film picture. I can't think of the word. But oh, that's actually really, really nice. And then here is the like ticket bookmark. So it says Trendz Dreamlike, Let's Glow, Trend's fourth single album Dreamlike, with all the members' names listed: Have, Leon, Yunu, Hanguk, ra.l, Anil, and Yechan. And then it says 2024 with the copyright things. And oh, we got Hanguk. Oh my gosh. With the flowers in the back. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. And here is the Polaroid that comes in the album. Obviously all of these come in the album. I don't know why I said that. We got ra.l. Oh, that's so cute. The apple cheek heart. Very, very cute. Here's our first photo card, and it doesn't have any names, so I think this is a unit card. Oh, we got Yunu and Leon poking each other's cheeks. So cute. Okay, so under this is the first random member photo card. Oh, of course we got Yechan. I am a Yechan magnet. Oh, very cute. Oh, there's a little, I don't know if you guys can see that, imprint from where the photo cards sat on top of each other. And here's the back with his signature. One more photo card. We got Yunu. He knew I made him a bias, so he had to show up. Oh my gosh, the back of this card is adorable. Oh my gosh. I may have to keep this card just because of the back. I don't know. I probably won't, but I am trying to only collect Habit. It's difficult, but I am trying to keep it to one member. So that was the first album. It is the green version of the photo book. So let's move on to the, I guess, the black version of the album. Okay, so here is the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. We have the poster and the inclusions. And here is the front of the photo book, the spine, and the back. This concept is, it's still, you know, cute, but it's a little more, I don't want to necessarily say mature, but it's kind of, oh no, not them being the first page together. Oh my gosh. Is that not focused? Oh my gosh, it wasn't even focused. Look at them. But Habit with the loose tie, he needs to stop. I don't know if people are still trading photo cards and stuff for this album. I kind of hope so, but look at this. Oh my gosh. I love this. I mean, I love this too. I love all of them, right? All of the pictures are so beautiful. Oh, but let's talk about the track list. obviously the title track, Glow. So fun, super fun. The choreography, amazing. Leon did such a good job. He really did it was really, really good. I really enjoyed, I've enjoyed watching them with this comeback and everything. Oh, he looks so good. Also, Out of Control. With this album, I really loved the different things that they tried, that they're kind of experimenting a little bit with different sounds and genres of music. But so Learn to Love, I have to talk about, of course. One, I'm jealous of everyone who got to hear it on the European tour before I did. I'm sure it was unbelievably amazing. So I'm a little jealous. But oh, his hair, so cute. But I'm jealous, and it's in English, and they did really, really well. Have and Anil are truly, truly so talented. I enjoy a good ballad, I do, and getting that from Trendz was honestly a very, very happy and welcoming surprise, because when I listened to the album, you know, I didn't look anything up. I didn't, you know, I just went in kind of blind, which I like to do sometimes with albums. Sometimes I'll listen to the melodies. Sometimes I will listen to the highlight medley, and other times I want to go into the album completely blind and just have that first listen, not have any like preconceived notions or ideas of what I'm going to feel going in. And honestly, I think I may do that for all future releases with groups, because I really enjoy not knowing. I mean, I'll probably look at the writing credits and stuff, but it's I don't know why, but it's so funny to me seeing Leon just like lay on the floor. it's just funny. But oh, that's such a pretty shade of purple, blue, blue, purple. Oh, and the cream tan suits. Very nice. I love how Habit's hair looks kind of purple. There we go. But I think it's cool how his hair is kind of looks purple. But also the Go Up live band version. At first I wasn't too sure if I really liked it. The lighting for these with like the soft diffusion, very, he's a model. He's amazing. Oh wow, that's a model. But I wasn't sure how I liked it when I first listened to it, but it's grown on me, and so I like it. I do like, I don't know if there's really been a song so far that Trendz has released that I haven't liked. I'm sure there will be one day, but we all have a song we don't love in a group, you know, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just not our style, but I haven't come across one for Trendz yet. I'm trying to think of who this like pose and stuff reminds me of, and I can't think of it, but he looks really good there. Well, I mean, he looks really good throughout the whole photo book. This though, love it. Oh, Hanguk. Oh my gosh. I thought he had a shirt on. He doesn't. Oh my gosh. Anil, no. They look so serious. This makes them seem really mature, like a much older group than they are. Not necessarily, I guess, age, but that they're not only like 3 years into debut. So, but here's the end, and we have the track list again, and the thanks to, if you want to pause. Again, I will do my best to try and find a decent translation, English translation, and there are the credits. So there is the second photo book version. There's the poster. I don't know why my camera won't stay focused, but it is just the group, or a group photo of them with all the confetti on the floor in the more casual outfits. Very nice. I hope it's not like warping anybody, but yeah. And then here is the envelope that all the inclusions come in. This one is gray. Here is the CD sleeve, which is just white with black writing and accents. And this CD is black with a slight kind of sheen, slight metallic sheen, I guess, and just silver, iridescent, you know, CD silver writing. Very nice. Here is the sticker set. All of the stickers are the same. They're just in black, and then the group photo sticker is the same as the poster, just in a black and white filtered version. And then here is the group postcard. Mine got a little bent in the album, unfortunately, but it should be able to flatten out. So this is super cute with the confetti falling. And then for our random member film postcard, we got, oh, we got Anu. And he's doing a hand heart. Very, very cute. And next we have the bookmark, like the ticket bookmark. So very, very cute. This one's just a black background with all the same writing. And we got, oh, we got Leon. Very cute. I really hope people are still trading because I really want habits. Okay, and for the Polaroid, we got, oh, we got Ye-chan. Okay, and for the unit photo card, oh, we got the Anil Hanguk Yunu unit. that's focused. There we go. Very pretty. Okay, and for our first member photo card, we got Leon. Here's the back with his signature. Okay, for our second member, we got Ye-chan. Very cute. And here's the back. Oh, wait. Oh! There were two. They were stuck together. It felt like really thick. But here's the back. I love these, the drawing ones. So cute. So we got an extra Ye-chan photo card. Love that. But here are the inclusions for the, the versions have names, don't they? Oh, this is, I remember now. This is the, right? Because it's the dream version and the like version. So this is the like version. So let's move on to the poca albums. Okay, so there's two poca albums. I'm going to take them both out of the plastic. And then we will open the green or dream version and then the black or like version, just to kind of keep it consistent. But before I open, here's the back. The plastic, it comes with a sticker to seal, so you can tell if, usually you can tell if it's been opened, because it'll be ripped, or you could tell that it's been lifted up. I'm just gonna let you know that if it's not ripped and someone's already opened it, they have put a lot of dedication because those stickers are near impossible to get off, especially without you being able to tell. Like, I was trying to be so careful and you would easily be able to tell, but I will set this one up here. And so here's what the poca albums look like. Just the standard poca album that they typically use. There's the back, and so the sleeve comes off and you just slide this up, and the photo cards are inside here. I'm going to try and get them out. I've set the photo cards aside. For the poca albums, I'm sure you know, but if not, you can just fold these back and push the little tab through. I put it in the wrong tab, sorry. There's a tab at the top, and if you push this through and then bend it, you can put one of the, well, I mean, you can put any photo card, but you can put one of the photo cards in here and then just have it standing up on a shelf or desk if you want, or you can just keep it folded up. That's typically what I do. But what comes inside are the, obviously the credits and stuff, but your instructions on how to download and scan to get it on the app and to have the album on your phone. And then you get 2 sets of stickers. So the first set has the names of the track of the songs, the track list on them, and there is a star, and there's a diamond sticker with the number 4 because this is their 4th single album. And then, like always, we have the stickers with all the members' names. And for the poca albums, you get 3 photo cards, and they're all random. I'm gonna try not to get the, okay. I'm gonna try not to show my QR codes, but here's the back of the first one. Oh, and we got Hankook. Very nice. Okay. The QR code's the last one. So here's the back. We got ra.l with the poodle hair. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, so here is the QR code photo card, and I'm gonna try. So you have the QR code up here with the letters, numbers, code, and here's the back. And for the member, oh, we got Yunu. Oh no, I haven't gotten a single habit thing. Oh no. Okay, so here is the second poca album, the black version or the like version. So just the same thing. Took the sleeve off. You're just gonna slide it up. Again, all the inclusions are just down in there. And so here's the inside. And you can do the same thing and set it up. And then again, we have the instructions and credits. And then here are the stickers. So they are different, but they still have the track list and the number 4, which is my favorite number, so I kind of love this album. And then we also have the members' name stickers. Okay, so for the first photo card, oh, we got Leon. Okay, so for the second photo card, oh, we got Anil. Very cute. We're gonna get everybody except Habit, aren't we? Okay, here is the QR code photo card. I'm just covering up the QR code. And we got Leon. The QR code ones are really nice. They're not selfies. All right, so there are the poca albums. And last, I'm going to unbox, I already took it out of the box, my signed album. Okay, so I only bought 1 copy because Imwave said that it was a full group signed album, which made me very happy that I didn't have to order more, just to try and get habits. But I do have this because it did come with a photo card, as like an order benefit. So we're gonna see who we got. I'm gonna try that has my information on it, so. Oh, okay, let me take it out of the plastic. We got ra.l. Cute. Oh, the back is really cute. I'm gonna see if I can find habits, but here is the album. So I got the like version or the black version of the photo book. So here are all of their signatures. Yeah, very, very cute. Just here's the back. I'm trying like not to touch the signatures because I don't want to smear them. But let's look at our inclusions. So last chance to get a habit. Just have the CD. I'm not gonna go through the stickers. Oh, it wasn't focused. And then you just have the group postcard. Okay, so for our random member postcard, oh, we got Ye-chan. Oh, very, very, very cute. Okay, and for our bookmark, we got a habit. Finally we got something of habits. The signed album brought us luck. That's what happened. That's so cute. For our Polaroid, oh, we got Hanguk. For the unit photo card, oh, we got ra.l and Yunu. Very cute. Okay, so for our random photo card, oh, we got Habit. I'm telling you, it's the signed album. The signed album brought me all the luck. Oh, and he's doing harange. Sorry, I always make it Hoshi, but look how cute. Oh, no, stop. Look at the back of this card. Oh my god. It is so cute. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. I can't get over the back. Oh my god. Okay, so for the last photo card, oh, we got a duplicate. We got Leon. So there's the back with his signature. I just noticed there was glare on that. Here are all of the inclusions I got with the signed M-Wave album. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a very long time since I've posted, and I know that I'm a bit late with this album unboxing due to circumstances that were out of my control, that I will talk a little bit more about in a future video. But thank you so much again for watching this video. It really means a lot to me, and if you ever like want to reach out and become friends, I'm always up for that. But I would love to make more friendsy friends. But also, if you have any habit photo cards that you're looking to trade for, or inclusions for any of these members, you can message me. My Instagram is down below, but not to throw that out there and like plug my trade sale Instagram, but I really hope to be more consistent. It'll probably take me a little bit to be on a weekly schedule again, but I am hoping to kind of get back into a more consistent flow of videoing and or filming and posting videos again. But your support truly means a lot to me, and please keep your fingers crossed and send good luck that I can get Trendz tickets whenever they're announced, please. And I'm sending all of you all the luck and good vibes for getting tickets for you to see Trendz, and that they will come to your country if they haven't already, and you can see them in person. I hope you are having a wonderful morning, noon, evening, or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.